subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched 3 new smartphones under Note series in China called Redmi Note 11, Redmi Note 11 Pro and Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. All these 3 devices looks quite identical but are different in terms of specifications, and among these 3, the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus is the higher variant of this series. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports HDR10 and both the front and rear panel of the phone are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset, paired with Mali G68MC4 GPU, and it packs with 6 or 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of camera, the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 108MP main camera with dual ISO support, plus 8MP ultra-wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP telephoto macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 120W fast charging. And on the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on MIUI 12.5 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes VC liquid cooling system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. And it also comes with JBL tuned stereo speakers alongside the Dolby Atmos plus high-res audio system. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.65 by 76.19 by 8.34mm and it weighs around 204 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,899 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 2,099 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Misty Forest, Mysterious Black, and Timeless Purple color options. So what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.